Hello, everyone. This is a demonstration of how the MIDL conference will go. Essentially, it will cover three different medium: the website, a chat, and the Zoom webinars. And here's a little demonstration of how it would look like on the website. This is just a beta website, but you'll have access to the full scientific program, like on this link here, where you can see all the different papers accepted, the schedule. And as you can see, every link here, just by a quick link, you can have access to the abstract of each paper very quickly right on the website. If you click on the reviews, you're taken to the open review website where you can have access to all the comments that were made by reviewers. And if you click on the paper, you're taken to a separate page for every single paper accepted at MIDL, where again, you can see the short abstract of each paper. So you can activate or deactivate it. You can see the schedule. When is the oral session? When is the poster session? So typically an hour oral session followed by an hour and a half poster sessions. And then again, a click that accesses the reviews like I just showed you, and a teaser where you're going to the YouTube link and you have access to the 1-minute teaser that each author has prepared. And lastly, well, you have two links to the oral presentation, so the pre-recorded oral presentation and the slides that the author prepared. And lastly, if you click on this Access Paper channel, you're taken to the live chat, the MIDL chat, where each poster or oral will have an individual channel where you can start talking to authors. So for instance, right now I'm asking the author how he is, and I can start asking questions about his methods, his results, and interact live with him and with others in the channel. You can see the other channels in the chat. You can have private rooms, different channels that will grow as the conference goes on. So this, in a nutshell, shows you how the website will go. And so see you later on a different tutorial to show you how the Zoom link will work.